You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this type of cheese? And if you're looking for more French cheese names, stay tuned. Fromager, fromager, which means cheesemaker. Fromager, fromager, you could say. Dauphinois, dauphinois. The S is silent, okay? So if you cannot pronounce French very well, and if you cannot say fromager dauphinois, you can say it as fromager dauphinois. Fromager dauphinois. Or in French again, let's listen carefully. Fromager dauphinois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.